Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be covering things in IoT, features of IoT devices, how IoT things work, and types of IoT devices. I'll explain all these topics in detail. Guys, I have uploaded complete IoT subject tutorials. I'll provide that link in description. You can watch from there. If you are watching this video for the first time, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Guys, things mean physical devices like smartwatches, smart cameras, smart ACs, sensors, etc. And this device will work by using internet. And each and every physical device contain unique ID. Unique ID is nothing but unique IP address. By using that IP address, device can communicate to each other. So things in IoT means physical devices that are connected to internet. These devices have unique identities. That is nothing but these devices have unique IP addresses. And this device will use sensors and they can collect data, they can send data, and as well as they can receive data. IoT things have ability to sense environment, perform actions, and they can communicate through internet. For example, if you consider temperature sensor can measure heat levels automatically. As smart bulbs can automatically turn on and they can automatically turn off. As smartwatch can automatically track heart rate and they can send data to mobile app. And all these devices are part of IoT ecosystem. And by using IoT things, we can create smart environment like smart homes, smart cities, smart industries, etc. These are examples of IoT things. IoT things are nothing but IoT devices like smartwatches. They can track steps, they can monitor heart rate, sleep pattern, etc. And home appliances like smart ACs, refrigerators, washing machines, etc. All these are examples of IoT things. And smart security cameras, sensors that can automatically measure temperature, humidity, pressure, etc. And smart cars which can automatically monitor speed levels, fuel levels, engine condition, etc. And if you consider industrial machines that can automatically monitor performance, they can detect faults and they can improve efficiency. All these are examples of IoT things. All these devices make life more comfortable and automatic. Next I will explain main features of IoT devices. And the first one is unique ID. Just for example, if you consider any person, each and every person has unique Aadhaar card number. By using that unique Aadhaar card number, we can identify a person. In same way, if you want to identify any IoT device, you can identify it by using IP address. Each and every IoT device contain unique IP address. By using that IP address, IoT device can communicate to each other. So unique ID is nothing but unique IP address. And second one is sensors. Because sensors are very important in IoT devices. By using sensors, device can collect real-time data from environment such as heat, light, motion, moisture, and sound. And third one is actuators. Because sensors will collect data. Sensors after collecting data, actuators will perform action on that particular data. For example, if you consider motor will automatically open the door. And if you consider fan will automatically turn on when there is high temperature. All these are examples of actions. And fourth one is communication. Guys, IoT device can communicate with other devices. Like they can send data to server, they can transfer data to other devices. And communication is possible by using Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, mobile networks, and other wireless technologies. And fifth one is processing ability. Guys, some IoT device can process data in the device itself. And whereas some other device cannot process data by itself, they need to transfer data to cloud in order to process data. Device after transferring data to cloud, from cloud, data is transferred to other IoT device in order to perform actions and make intelligent decisions. I will explain how IoT things work. That is nothing but how IoT devices work. And the first step is data collection. Okay, sensors will collect data from surroundings. For example, if you consider temperature sensor can automatically check room temperature. And second step is data transmission. Device after collecting data can process data by itself or it can send data to other device. So if possible, device can collect data and they can send data to other device or they can also send data to cloud server using communication protocols. And third step is data processing. After data is transferred to other device or cloud, now data need to be processed. Based on data processing, device will understand that what action need to be taken. And last step is action or response. After data is processed successfully, based on processed data, system will perform action. For example, if temperature is very high, system will automatically turn on AC or fan. And all these steps, data collection, data transmission, data processing, and action and response. All these steps will happen automatically without human help. That is why IoT devices are powerful. Next, I will explain different types of IoT devices. And that first one is wearable devices. Guys, we can easily wear some devices like smartwatches, fitness bands, and health trackers that will monitor our body activities. And second one is home automation devices. Smart bulbs, smart TVs, smart ACs, and smart locks. All these are examples of home automation devices. And third one is industrial IoT devices. Guys, will use some machines and robots in factories. in order to monitor performance, in order to identify failures and improve production. And fourth one is smart health devices like heart rate monitors, glucose monitors, and also smart medical equipments. By using those devices, we can monitor patient's health. And fifth one is smart agriculture devices. Guys, in agriculture, we use so many sensors in order to identify soil moisture, weather condition, and as well as water level, and also in order to identify chemicals in soil. So by using smart agriculture devices, we can improve crop productivity. Guys, smart home appliances, smartphones, computers, wearable electronics, and automobiles, energy systems, payment systems, printers, industrial machines, surveillance machines, and agriculture systems. All these are examples of IoT devices.